If you're thinking of staying at the Ata Lagoon Beach Hotel, this video is for you. I'm outside it. We're going to do a little walking tour. Now, I've never been here before, so you're going to come along and experience this for the first time with me. It's along the Dolmus Road here in Oludeniz, so it's not on the main strip. As you can see, all the buses are coming past. These are the buses that take you up to Hisaranu. The beach is straight down there. It's literally a 6-minute walk all the way down. You've got a restaurant that's next door called Bali, which is a really good Indian restaurant. And what we're going to do is going to go and show you around and see what it's like. I don't have a clue what it's like. So let's go. So this is literally the entrance when you first arrive at the Ata Lagoon, and then you've got this seating area in here. So imagine this is where you have like dinners, because they also do food here as well, and you can eat your dinners here and everything. So as you can see on the sign, you've got reception, lobby, pool bar that way, restaurant bar that way, some rooms there, and most of the rooms are this way. I don't know exactly where the the reception's up here. Let's show you the reception. Go on. We'll come in and show you the reception. It's right through here. That makes a lot of sense. So this is where you would check in. You've got a lovely little bar here as well, so you can have some drinks and enjoy yourself here. Mahaba, how are you? Hey. So this is the reception area when you first check in. This is where you'd come through, and then you've got stairs, I'm guessing, straight up to some rooms, and then you've got toilets downstairs as well. Massive aircon unit there. So yeah, let's go and show you. Let's go and show you like the pool area. I'll see if we can get a room tour, a quick room tour. Obviously I've just turned up unannounced. So yeah, this is just for you guys just to check it out. If you just booked this hotel or you're thinking of booking it, this is a hotel video for you, just to get a bit more of a feel of it. I made loads of videos, so check them out. I've got other videos on other hotels. I've got walking tours on Oludeniz in the daytime and the nighttime. And subscribe, hit subscribe, and you can watch more. Drop a comment. Let me know if you have stayed here or if you're gonna stay here. But anyway, lesson me. This is the first things that we see. So we've got the pool table here. Got a lovely big tree, really nice. And then, wow, these look nice. Actually, these are different rooms. So you've got a really cool sort of feel going on here. Very nice, very nice. Mahaba, how are you? Yeah, very good. And you've got some more rooms that come along, and I'm going to show you the pool because it looks really nice actually. You keep going along. Yeah, and it's really, I think this is like a bit of a smaller hotel as well. So yeah, you've got blocks over here, you've got a nice lime tree, some sunbeds, and then here is the pool area. This is really nice. So you've got a little kiddies pool here, you've got all these sunbeds. Obviously now, at the time now, it's like 5:30 in the afternoon. It's been about 34 degrees today, and it's the 7th of September. So this is what it's like in September. It's really nice and quiet. You've got the beautiful backdrop of the mountains, really nice pool. And then you've also got your pool area bar here. And you can get a margarita pizza, chips and a Coke for 500 Turkish lira. So that's like £10, 10 English quid. This is another entrance actually. Let's show you this entrance as well, because I didn't know this was here. This is quite cool. So this is probably most likely where you're going to walk out of a night time when you've left your room. And you've got another entrance here. You've got some travel places there. You can book excursions. You've got the famous restaurant right there as well called Joseph's as well. And you've also got a supermarket right there on the corner. So if you want to go and get like waters and crisps for the room, you can. But yeah, it's like I say, it's a smaller place, but it's been requested to do a tour of this hotel, so that's why I'm here. But yeah, the pool is looking very nice. Obviously at this time of the day there's no sun in the pool, but that's fine. You'll probably be getting ready to go and have dinner soon anyway. You got these really cool little seating areas as well. You can chill out in these beds as well, and I'm imagining they're free. I like this as well. I'm noticing around here, you got loads of like different little mirrors. There's like a mirror there, there's a mirror over there, so you can always like check yourself out and see if you make sure you're looking good and you're not sweating too much. And we come along and we've got some nice hammocks here as well. That's actually, do you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I was nearly gonna sit on that, but I'll probably fall asleep. I like sitting on a hammock. They're normally like really relaxing. But yeah, you got your hammock here, so you could be on there. Your partner could be here, reading you a little love story. But yeah, this is cool. It opens up now. So yeah, you've got lovely blocks here. What I'm noticing as well is there's lots of different like ramps and stuff. So I feel like it's sort of maybe catered to help with like for people who've got disabilities, so like wheelchair access. But yeah, let's come along here, show you some more of the rooms. So you've got some really nice balconies here as well. And if we walk up this way, I'm imagining we can get back round again. Yeah, you can. So you can come around here, and this is A block. So you've got lots of rooms in there. Let's tell you what. Let's show you what the sort of hallways look like. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look here. See, this is like, what is this space? Oh, this is just a small little hallway with some rooms. Nice wallpaper. Go on, let's go up the stairs quick. Have a little look. See what we can see. I feel like it's yeah, so it's very similar. So yeah, it's not a massive hotel really. See, 2 rooms there, 2 rooms there, and then 2 rooms and 2 rooms. So you've got 8 rooms on 1 floor, and then it keeps going up the same. So that's cool. Got another hotel there. Not sure what that one is, but you've got neighbours right next to you. So yeah, it's a nice hotel. It's a small one. Again, it depends what you're coming to Oludeniz and what you're looking for. If you want to, you know, go and stay in a massive hotel with loads of pools and, you know, you want it all inclusive, then, you know, this one isn't maybe the right one. But if you want to be chilled out, relaxed, you know, just a nice time, and you can go in and hit the strip and have somewhere to just come back and like regenerate. Mahaba, how are you? You good? You good? Yeah. I'm just doing a little tour of the hotel, for YouTube.
I don't speak English.
You don't speak? No, that's okay. It's okay. Teşekkürler, brother. If you don't know, teşekkürler means thank you in Turkish. Maybe you know that already, so ignore me if you did know that. But teşekkürler is thank you. Mahaba is hello. So they're the only 2 things. Without being ignorant, I feel like if you don't know Turkish, they're the only 2 things you need to help you get around. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, oh, so you got ramps as well straight down. Oh yeah, you got ramps and stair access all around this hotel. That's very good. That's very useful to know. What I will do is I'm going to be cheeky. I'll just see if they can give us a little tour of a room. I don't know who to speak to, but we'll see if we can speak to somebody here. And excuse me, do you work here? Yeah. You do? I'm doing a video for YouTube, a tour of this hotel for people to see and hopefully come and book and stay here. Do you? I know you haven't seen me before, but one sec. Can I see a room at all? Is it possible to see?
Our all rooms are full.
You're fully booked?
Yeah.
Ah, well that's a good sign. So they're fully booked. So we can't see a room. That's not a problem at all. I just thought I'd see.
If you come tomorrow, maybe around 1 or 2 p.m.
Yeah.
We can show you.
That's fine. No. Teşekkürler. Thank you anyway. But yeah, but it's a good sign. They're fully booked, so we can't even see a room. So that's a good sign. But you can go and check out obviously them on their website or any holiday website as well. But yeah, and when you come out, you've got the beautiful views here, which is really nice. But yeah, this is the Ata Lagoon Beach Hotel. This is just a really quick tour of it. So let me know if you're thinking about staying here. Let me know if you're coming to Oludeniz, you've been to Oludeniz, or let me know if I've even met you while I've been here. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe. It's free to subscribe, but what it does is it helps me build this channel up, and I can do more of these videos, because I've only been doing this since July 2025. Like I said, I'm a singer, that's what I do normally. I make music, you can check that out as well. I'll put a link in the description for my music. But yeah, until the next one guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you